Okay, let's say you're given a question like this. You see a word here, compounded. Sorry, it should be compounded monthly. Yeah? Okay, so this guy invested $5,000 in a bank, compounded monthly at this rate per annum for 4 years. Per annum, the annum means years. Okay, per year, sorry, per year. Find the interest earned at the end of 4 years. So many of you would know that this formula can be found here. Just take note this total amount here. Okay, already you see compound interest here, right? This formula here is not the interest, okay? It is actually the interest plus principal, meaning to say that it is P plus I, principal plus the interest that you earn from compounding all those months. It is actually this P 1 plus R over 100N. Okay, so how do we find the interest earned? Interest earned is actually just this, correct? But in order to find this, you need to, of course, find the total amount first, which is actually P principal plus interest. Okay, then what is the principal? It is this $5,000 that you have put in. P is this one. At a rate of 8%. This rate is your R, alright? But because you compound monthly, this word compound means I pay you monthly. Monthly I pay you. So because you is paid monthly, right? Okay, let me write down the formula, how to fill in the blank first. This is P, we know that. Everybody knows that. The 1 is just a 1. Okay, the plus is just a plus, the 100 is just a 100. Now this rate, right, is not this 8% because in a year you are paid, this guy is paid 1, 2, 3, 4 every month, right? 1, 2, 3, so 12, right? So every month that he's being paid, right, it's not 8% but 8 divided by 12. Okay, so you must put this fraction within this other fraction. You try pressing 8 over 12, then you over this whole thing. That means this is how you should be pressing. Then there's another fraction inside here. Okay, so be careful how you do that. And this n is the number of times compounded. Number of times compounded, not a year, no, it's in these 4 years. So isn't it you have monthly, so isn't it 4 times 12? Okay, so that is all. That's all for your total amount. You go and press calculator. Let's say you get a certain value, right? That will be the P plus I. So in order to find the I, you need to minus away the 5,000. So it will be whatever answer you have in your calculator. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now if I say not monthly but every 2 months, then how will the thing change? The thing will just change instead of this. Okay, you compound every 2 months, so you can draw like a timeline like that. 12 months, right? Every 2 months, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's actually like 6. You have to divide by 6. In a year, right? In a year, you every 2 months you go and compound it, means you pay this fella inside the bank, you don't pay him the actual money. Okay, so it's 6, right? And then down here is 4 times 6. Why? Because in a year you compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, right? But there are 4 years, so you take this like this. That's all. Okay, let's say I say every quarterly, you see, so you see this timeline is a very powerful tool that you can use. You draw a timeline, right, for 12 months. Okay, then you see what did I say just quarterly, is it? Okay, quarterly. Quarterly means one quarter, one quarter, one quarter. Sorry, one quarter. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That means every 3 months, right? Every 3 months. Or quarterly means every 3 months. So it's actually 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. In a year, in 4 years, every year you compound it 4 times. Here what? So 4. That's one. Then you take 8 divided by 4. Alright? So that's how you do it. What if it's half yearly? Let's say they say half yearly. Half yearly. That means every half a year, right? Every half a year. So 6 months you compound it. 6 months you compound it. So how many times per year? 2 times. So you divide this by 2. That means you think of it this way your what do you call that, the 8%, 8%, right, is split equally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Then this one is 2 times, like that. Okay, then this will be 2 lah. This will be 2. What a lousy correction tip. Okay. Okay, never mind. This one is 2. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now there are many ways they can test you on this particular topic. They can, if you look at your TYS, right, they can actually ask you in different ways. For example, like that. Or like that. Actually they are all very easy compared to whatever. And then this one is the installment, so you must be familiar with the O-level style of questions. So like that. Okay, thank you.